The only hill station of Gujarat is Saputara.
Yes, Saputara. Saputara is a charming tiny hill station in Gujarat's Dang district, nested in Western Ghats.
In winters, Saputara has extremely pleasant climate conditions.
The weather in winter of Saputara is perfect for paragliding, and in fact, the hill station hosts the paragliding festival. Saputara is rightly called India's paragliding destination. The town is a tourist favorite because of its lush green forest, undulating mountains, glittering waterfalls, beautiful meandering roads, vivid scenery, and plenty of delightful places to spend time with your loved ones. Saputara is ideal for eco-tourists, wildlife enthusiasts, and adventurous sports fans. Saputara literally means snake habitat and even has a temple to serpent god on the bank of river Sarpaganga. The tribals of this region worship snakes, especially during Holi.
Summers are not too hot.
And despite being considered the off-season, it is a lot more pleasant environment than plains. Do check out the Native Tribes Summer Festival when you visit.
The Step Garden, Rose Garden, and Lake Garden are among the town's beautiful gardens.
The Pushpak Ropeway, a prominent tourist attraction that provides a bird's eye view of the surrounding area.
One of the primary attractions is Saputara Lake, which is located in the center of valley.
Surrounded by beautiful scenery and offers boating options.
The Monsoon Festival celebrates the start of the lovely monsoon season.
When the landscape transforms into a lush green carpet because monsoon showers are moderate, you might spend your vacation in Saputara where the weather is misty, chilly and delightful.
On the Maharashtra-Gujarat border, Saputara is around 164 kilometers from Surat and about 1000 meters above the sea level. It is located 4 kilometers from Maharashtra border and 250 kilometers from the Mumbai.
Post-monsoon and winter months are finest time to visit. However, the hill station does not fall behind in celebrating the other seasons.
Each season is marked by colorful and joyful celebration of culture and adventure.
Saputara has a pleasant climate throughout the year and may be visited at any time.